How to change ambient occlusion quality in EA Sports FC 26 PC. 1. Launch EA Sports FC 26. Open the EA app or Steam. Start EA Sports FC 26. Wait until the main menu appears. Do not enter a match yet. Number 2. Open Game Settings. From the main menu, select Settings. Open Game Settings. Navigate to the Graphics tab. Number 3. Locate Ambient Occlusion Quality. Scroll to the Graphics section. Find Ambient Occlusion Quality. This setting controls shading and depth effects in the game. Number 4. Choose your preferred quality. Select one of the available options: Auto, Low, Medium, High, Ultra. Choose the option that best matches your PC's performance. 5. Apply the changes. Click Apply. Save the new graphics settings. Wait for the changes to be applied. Number 6. Restart the game. Exit EA Sports FC 26. Launch the game again. Graphics setting changes require a restart to take effect. Number 7. Test performance. Start a kickoff match. Check image quality and FPS. If performance drops, lower ambient occlusion quality. Number 8. Lower other graphics settings if needed. Reduce rendering quality. Lower grass quality. Reduce crowd quality. Turn strand-based hair off. Apply the settings and restart the game. 9. Update graphics drivers. Install the latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU driver. Restart your PC. Launch FC26 and test the new settings. Number 10. Use the Auto Graphics preset. Open Graphics Settings. Select Auto if you're unsure which option to use. The game will optimize graphics settings based on your hardware. These steps will help you adjust ambient occlusion quality in EA Sports FC 26 to improve either visual quality or game performance, depending on your PC's hardware.